Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Azam. If you haven't done so already, smash that subscribe button for A3 content. In today's video, we're going to be looking at how to fit the puddle lights. So a lot of people have been given these in their glove box or their boot, usually in a box, and left to figure out how to fit them. If you're fitting them in the front, to be honest, they're really straightforward to do, and we'll show you how to do that. But a lot of you have been posting on the forums, on Facebook, saying that you're struggling on how to fit these in the back. So what we're going to show you today is a really simple way on how to get around that. And I mean, you only have to look over there. We do modifications anyway, so why not do something nice for the A3, help you guys out. So really simple to do. Let's get stuck into it. Right guys, so you can also see here we've actually already got the lights fitted, but for the purposes of the video I'm going to remove it, show you how easy it is, and then install the same light in the back so you get an idea of how to do it. So first thing you're going to do is take your plastic pry tool or your trim removal tool, use the small edge. You can actually get away with using a screwdriver as well, but just make sure you apply a bit of masking tape or something similar, just in case it slips. You don't want to end up scratching the door card. So if you come to the bottom of the light, what you'll see, and I'll show you in a second when we pull this out, there's a recess on one side. So on the front door, the recess is at the back, so towards the door handle. What you want to do is get your trim tool, poke it in the recess, and slowly start pulling forward, and you'll hear it drop. Right after that, that's it, it's pretty much out. Cables out, nice and straightforward. All you want to do is you can either pinch these together and pull it out, or what I tend to do, just because you've got the tool, is almost push it in that gap, right? And there you go, that's out. Now obviously this is already the projector light. If it was the standard light, all you would do at this point is get your new light, plug it back in exactly the same way. What you want to remember is always put the connector side in first when you're tucking it back up. So it'll be like so, and then push it in, right? As straightforward as that. Now because we're going to fit this on the back one, I'll just pull it back out again and unplug it, just to show you can do it by hand as well, like that. So we're just going to tuck this cable back up there for now, and we'll jump onto the back door. So here we are at the back of the car. Let me just quickly show you the light we took out from the front. As you can see, you can go all the way around, it's flush, and then there's the little recess at the front of the light. And what you do here is basically that's where you poke the tool in, or your screwdriver, and you just pull it towards you and it'll pop out. Now if we have a look at the rear light, it's the opposite way around. So on the front the light was like so. Now on the rear, looking at the way the recess is, it's actually on the front of the light, which to me tells me that the light's this way around, right? So that's where we're going to have to put our plastic trim tool and pop the light up. So let's just do that very quickly. And there you go. Right now the big difference here is going to be, look, when I get this free, that's it, there's literally no slack. And this is why people have struggled. What they've tried to do is take the door cards out, get their hands behind just to disconnect it. That's obviously a little bit difficult, because what you can end up doing is snapping the door card. So what I'm going to show you now is a really quick way to do it. And this is where obviously if you've removed another light off the front, it becomes really simple. So you can see the connectors on that side. So if we match this up exactly the same, what you can see is you've got your plastic connector here, and you've roughly got your, I don't know, let's just call this top bit like a 45-degree angle. And what you want to do is that's where the cable is going to go in. So you, even though you can't see it, you can kind of imagine where the cable is going to be plugging in, like so. And what you want to be able to do is follow your finger to the end, and then you feel that little recess. That recess, if you've got long enough nails, to be honest, you could probably just poke it down and flick the connector away, like so, and that'll pop the light out. But again, if you've got this trim tool or even a screwdriver, you can just follow the same principle. So what we're going to do is go like so, into the recess, poke it in, and away. Right, I'll put an arrow on screen now to show you where you want to push in. And all you want to basically do is take the pry tool, poke it in there like so, and once it's in there is push in and down, right? And the cables now out, nice and easy Now what you want to do is get your finger behind there and support the cable like this. Don't yank on it too much, but just enough to keep a firm finger. Get your replacement, line it up and just push in firmly until you hear a click. There you go. Remember, light side goes in first and push up. Job done. Right guys, so that's pretty much it. You can see it's working there. It's really easy to do, and I really hope this video's helped some of you guys out there that were asking how to do this. Hopefully this is even useful in years to come, but yeah, don't worry about it. You don't have to take the car back to Audi to do it. Don't worry about breaking anything. As long as you're careful about not scratching down here and you look for that recess, you'll be absolutely fine. Don't yank at the cable, really take your time. I've always found the lower you get, like so, I'm literally on the ground right now, it just makes it a lot better in terms of seeing what's going on up there, and then you can actually get a visual on the clip as well and see what you're working with. But like I said, hope you found that useful. We'll get back to the optional extra side of things next week, and there's plenty more great content coming up, guys. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down in the corner. Follow us on our social media channels. If you have any questions, as always guys, leave a comment down below, message us, DM us, whichever method you prefer, and we'll get back to you to help you out. But until then, thank you very much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks guys.